doing a Facebook Live of the ramp. So people. Okay. All right.
There he is, right there. Pete!
All right. Today's West Ramp update. Boeing Plaza. Air National Guard is still here. And the C-130 from the New York Air Guard is still here. This is U.S. Forest Service right here. The air show just started, so you might hear airplanes flying. UPS is still here. We'll get that in a little bit. The big arrival today was the United 787 over here. So, I'm gonna come over here. You can see that we got a 787 and a 747 all on this ramp.
Here, first we get up here, they land.
Yeah. So there's the 787 right behind the UPS 747. There's Piper's hands. Piper's doing the Facebook Live with me today. So the ramp is pretty much split down the middle with the 747 and the 787. So we're gonna go up in the 747 in about an hour or so. So hopefully we'll get some good pictures for that. A lot of people waiting in line to go inside these aircraft. Something's flying over here. There it is. Definitely sounds like an air show here today. Not much has changed on this side of the ramp from yesterday. We got the KC-46 over here still. The Starship is still here. So that's all brother has been here, but what's really cool is I did a wedding for some of my friends under the wing, under that wing right there. Did that this morning, this afternoon, early this afternoon. And the Yankee lady. So here's this side, 747 UPS, and then the United 787. So that's today's West Ramp update. I'll see you guys tomorrow.